transformative. Yeah, transformative.
I just learned a lot more about myself than I initially thought, and it just made me realize, like, even though I still have so much room to grow, I have a lot within me that I can still like take from, and I'm also like an abundance of power in itself.
It was not only like a comforting environment, but inviting as well, and I kind of felt the sense of I'm supposed to be here, like a sense of unity, a sense of belonging, a sense of just, you know, feeling like this is where you're supposed to be.
Being in an all-black space, let me tell you, there's a level of vulnerability that you will not achieve with anyone else but black people. Because black people, they know, like, not only do they know your experiences, even if you haven't necessarily gone through the exact same thing, there's a certain pull, like I think of it as like a string. We all have a string that connects us, and how tight you want that connection to be is up to you, but we're all connected one way or another.
Just do it. It is, I think, one of the best programs I've ever taken part in.
I'm so excited for all the black leaders that will come out from this experience, and I'm so excited to see everyone's journey. And I just think being a black person surrounded by black people, you get immense power.